Ai Stella Chepkoech Soilangat.
Stella Soilangat no minister mwamuri uri otanahetũka kigeri kia bunge gia gwetha aria makuingira ndudu-ini ya minister.
Honorable members of the vetting committee.
Na kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni kamiti ya guthurima minister amure, Soi ndahotire kuonania umenyo muiganu wa ministry ya agenda iria angirathire gutungata, na uguo bunge yetikanirie ati ndakinyanirie ikiro cia kuheo wira wa gikiro kia minister. Ona gutuika bunge ni mendekithirie ati no amurwo giturwa-ini kingi.
She did not demonstrate adequate understanding of the docket to which she had been nominated, and the committee found her unsuitable for appointment to that docket.
When we say as a committee that someone is not suitable for this job, we are not imputing any improper motive of that person, Mr. Speaker. We are just saying that person is not suitable for this job. He can do another job.
Soi ni atuika minister mwamure wa gatatu kuregwo ni bunge rungu rwa gatiba njeru thutha Phyllis Kandie na Penina Malonza, na ni kugeire na ndereti bunge-ini igie kana Soi ni abatie ni kuheo kanya agateithĩrĩrio kugia na utauku wa wira wake.
Let us forgive if she appears before you, the Honorable Speaker, with these serious members, Honorable Ichung'wah, Honorable Junet. Let us not judge her on failure to define one word called femicide and those others. This lady will deliver.
And I would actually suggest, Honorable Speaker, since she has extensive knowledge in public administration, probably to be prudent for the President to swap her with Dedan Muturi so that he can go and handle that particular aspect.
Agita Kimani bunge-ini riboti ya kamiti ya uthurimi, mutongoria wa aria aingi Kimani wa Ichung'wah ni ateteire itua ria kuhetukia minister amure 19, akiuga ati kamiti ino ni irageririe guthurima minister ya na urikiru munene gukiringithanio na ati president amurire a minister eru thutha wa mateta kuma kuri ya Kenya.
It is our solemn duty as members of the National Assembly to vet all these nominees, check their suitability to hold office.
These nominees went through rigorous evaluation, Mr. Speaker.
Undu ungi uria wiyumiririe hindi ya ndereti ino ni kiuria gia kana minister aria maramurirwo ria keri ni marabatie kuheo kanya kau, na Ichung'wah ni ateteire ikinya riri ria president akiuga ati gatiba ndimugirireirie guku muhuri mucarica wa aria nini Junet Mohammed akiruta mukana kuri a minister aria mamuritwo ati angikorwo matikuruta wira wao ni makuhagurwo.
There is no legal provision that bars the president from reappointing any person who has been indicted as being unfit to hold office under Article 75 of the Constitution or any relevant law.
And the day a CS nominee does not perform his functions in accordance with the Constitution and in accordance with the wishes of Kenyans, we have the responsibility again to remove him from office and to impeach him.
Ihinda-ini riu minister aria mamuritwo kuma mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni mathingatitwo gutungatira Kenya othe na njira njigananiru. Riri bunge yuritie minister kwaga kuhuthira wabici ciao kuhura uteti wa icigo.
The appointments of the members of cabinet, that includes the members of the opposition, is something that has given this country a fresh impetus.
You come at a time when Kenyans felt those who have gone home became very proud, never understood who was at the gate, never understood whether they have challenges.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.